Finding the best face moisturizer isn't just about hydration, it's about choosing the right formula that fits your skin's changing needs. Whether you're facing dryness, dullness, or environmental stressors, using the wrong product can make things worse. In today's video, we'll walk through 5 of the top-rated moisturizers that not only hydrate, but help improve the overall texture and resilience of your skin. Each product is reviewed in detail, from ingredients to performance, so you can confidently choose what works best for your face. Let's get started with number 1. Kicking off our list at number 1, First Aid Beauty Cream. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream is a cult favorite moisturizer known for its deep hydration and skin calming properties, especially for dry or sensitive skin types. It's a multitasker that works year-round but shines during cold or dry seasons. When skin needs extra care, its whipped, creamy texture feels rich without being greasy, making it a reliable choice for everyday use on the face and even body. Dermatologist tested and free from harsh ingredients, it's safe for all skin types, including those prone to eczema or rosacea. Key features: this cream features colloidal oatmeal, shea butter, and allantoin ingredients designed to calm, hydrate, and protect the skin barrier. It's fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin, and includes antioxidant boosters like licorice root and white tea extract to defend against environmental stress. The non-comedogenic formula won't clog pores, making it a solid option for both dry and combination skin types. Benefits and usage: the Ultra Repair Cream offers fast, long-lasting hydration and soothing relief from irritation. It's great for post-procedure skin or skin recovering from breakouts. Use it twice daily, morning and night, after cleansing and applying any serums. A small amount goes a long way, and it absorbs quickly, leaving a soft matte finish. You can also use it as a night cream for an extra boost of moisture while you sleep. Usability: this moisturizer is lightweight enough for daily wear, but powerful enough to heal chapped or flaky skin within a few uses. It works well under makeup and doesn't pill or feel sticky. Its versatility extends to the body and hands, making it perfect for people who want an all-in-one hydration solution. The pump and tab packaging options cater to personal preferences. Durability: with regular use, a 6-ounce tub can last up to 2 to 3 months, making it a cost-effective choice for those looking for reliable, high-performance hydration. The formula remains stable and effective even in extreme weather conditions, maintaining its consistency and efficacy. It stores well without changes in texture or smell, adding to its long shelf life. In the second spot, we have EltaMD AM Therapy. EltaMD AM Therapy Facial Moisturizer is a dermatologist-recommended daily moisturizer formulated to hydrate and brighten the skin without clogging pores or adding oil, especially popular among those with oily, acne-prone, or sensitive skin. This lightweight moisturizer absorbs fast and delivers consistent results. It's designed to be part of a streamlined morning routine, offering hydration while enhancing skin tone and texture over time. Key features: key ingredients include niacinamide, willow bark extract, and caffeine, which work together to refine skin tone, reduce inflammation, and promote cell turnover. The formula is oil-free, fragrance-free, and non-comedogenic, making it ideal for daily use under sunscreen or makeup. It helps stimulate the skin's natural water system, improving moisture retention without heaviness. Benefits and usage: EltaMD AM Therapy not only moisturizes, but subtly improves the skin's tone, helping minimize dullness and discoloration with continued use. It's best used in the morning after cleansing and before applying sunscreen. The airless pump dispenses just the right amount, and the silky formula spreads easily across the skin. It leaves a smooth, hydrated finish without shine, ideal for layering. Usability: this moisturizer is highly compatible with other skincare products, including actives like vitamin C or retinol. It doesn't interfere with makeup application and provides a balanced base for both matte and dewy. Finishes. Its gentle formula suits those undergoing dermatological treatments or chemical exfoliation, offering moisture without irritation. Durability. A little goes a long way. One pump per use ensures long-lasting product life. The stable packaging helps maintain the product's effectiveness over time. And you can expect a 1.7 ounces bottle to last 2 to 3 months with daily use. The formula remains fresh without separation or thickening, ensuring consistent results throughout its lifespan. Coming in at number 3 is the Clinique Moisture Surgeth Clinique Moisture Surge 100H. Hydrator is a top-selling gel cream moisturizer known for its unique auto-replenishing technology, which helps skin continuously rehydrate itself for up to 100 hours even after washing your face. This product suits all skin types and is especially loved by those with combination, dehydrated, or stressed skin. It's lightweight. Bouncy gel texture offers intense hydration without a greasy feel. Key features. The standout feature is Clinique's auto-replenishing technology with aloe bioferment and hyaluronic acid. These components help increase the skin's moisture reservoir and boost its natural ability to retain water. It's oil-free, fragrance-free, and allergy-tested, providing a barrier-repairing boost while being safe for sensitive or acne-prone skin. It's clean, effective formulation avoids parabens and phthalates. Benefits and usage. Use it morning and night after cleansing, or apply as needed throughout the day for a refreshing hydration boost. It sinks in almost instantly and leaves the skin looking plump, dewy, and healthy over time. It helps smooth fine lines caused by dehydration and strengthens the skin's barrier. Its cooling effect is perfect for calming irritation or redness. Usability. This product plays well with all types of serums and sunscreens, and is especially popular as a primer under makeup. It can also double as a 5-minute moisture mask. Its jar packaging makes scooping easy, and the gel consistency allows for even application. The fragrance-free formulation is a safe bet for sensitive skin. Durability. The 1.7 ounces jar typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks depending on frequency of use. It stays fresh in a sealed container and doesn't degrade or separate over time. The high-quality ingredients remain stable, making it a long-lasting investment for year-round hydration. Taking our 4th spot is Olay Regenerist Cream. Olay Regenerist Microsculpting Cream is a staple in anti-aging skincare routines, offering deep hydration with visible firming benefits. This moisturizer is designed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while improving skin elasticity. It has a luxurious, velvety feel that appeals to both mature and combination skin types, delivering visible results in just a few weeks of consistent use. Key features: packed with hyaluronic acid, aminopeptides, and niacinamide, the formula works on multiple levels to moisturize, plump, and tighten the skin. It also includes antioxidants to protect against environmental damage. The cream is non-greasy and fragrance-free, ensuring compatibility with sensitive and aging skin. It provides both instant hydration and long-term improvements in firmness and clarity. Benefits and usage. Best applied twice daily after cleansing and serums. This cream offers immediate smoothness and a gradual reduction in fine lines and sagging. It's effective for areas like the cheeks, forehead, and jawline. With regular use, the skin feels firmer and more elastic, and makeup applies more evenly over the moisturized surface. Usability. The formula absorbs quickly and provides a perfect base for SPF or foundation. It doesn't pill or create residue, making it easy to include in both morning and night routines. The product is available in a sealed jar and pump options, both hygienic and travel-friendly. Durability. A 1.7 ounces jar can last around 6 to 8 weeks with twice daily use. The cream remains stable in texture and effectiveness, resisting oxidation or drying out, even with small amounts. You get powerful hydration and anti-aging benefits that make the investment worthwhile. Finally, at number 5, we have Belif Aqua Balm. Belif's The True Cream Aqua Balm is a Korean skincare favorite, celebrated for its burst of hydration and feather-light texture. Perfect for oily, combination, or dehydrated skin, this moisturizer delivers a cooling, water-based feel that quenches thirsty skin without adding weight or oiliness. It's particularly ideal during warmer months or for those prone to breakouts. Key features: the formula is rich in apothecary herbs like lady's mantle and oat husk, offering antioxidant protection and moisture retention. It's free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic dyes, catering to sensitive and eco-conscious users. The gel cream consistency delivers an immediate splash of moisture, while strengthening the skin's barrier over time. Benefits and usage. Use it morning and night after cleansing and serum. It absorbs within seconds, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and looking luminous. It's especially effective at reducing dehydration-related flakiness and works beautifully as a hydration base. Under makeup, with continued use, the skin appears more balanced and supple. Usability. Its fast-absorbing texture makes it ideal for layering with SPF and serums. It doesn't leave behind a sticky or oily residue and works well even on humid days. The jar. Packaging is easy to use, and a small scoop is enough to hydrate the entire face. Durability. A little goes a long way. 1.68 ounces of this product typically lasts 1 to 2 months. The lightweight texture holds up in various climates without degrading. Its stability ensures consistent results without changes in texture or scent over time, making it a dependable staple in any skincare routine. There you have it, 5 of the best face moisturizers that cater to a wide range of skin needs. From deep hydration to anti-aging powerhouses, each of these products brings something unique to your routine. The key is choosing one that aligns with your skin type and goals. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking to upgrade their skincare. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your skin happy and hydrated.